escape from this deserted sea. Lord, I think that the devil might be after me. I don't wanna waste my integrity. I'm just a man living a one-night stand. I'll tell you what I need. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place and wash my sins away. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place and wash my sins away. Just a little taste, that's all I need.
Those big dogs, aren't they? No.
Fruit for harvest and a wicked garden for a forbidden tree. A simple scheme for judging fate. Simple as it may be, it's more than I can take. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away. Tapping and nothing to lose, I'm lost, but I don't wanna be found. Yeah, for me could be coming real soon. I'd like a glass of tea mixed with the sassafras root and a real high ground. Oh, Black Creek, take me to that place. Wash my sins away.